Welcome to our video on why your green card application might fail, even if you have an approved petition. Let's unravel some of the complexities involved in this process. This video will cover a range of topics, including the overall immigration process, with emphasis on issues related to illegal entry, steps to take after a denial, and the importance of legal advice in such complex situations. The immigration process for obtaining a green card starts with the I-130 petition, which confirms the legitimacy of the relationship. However, the adjustment of status with the I-485 is dependent on how the immigrant entered the country. The I-130 approval alone doesn't guarantee a green card. Entry without inspection, or EWI, means entering the United States without going through proper immigration channels. This kind of entry is problematic because it makes it nearly impossible to adjust status and receive a green card while staying in the U.S. This is a significant factor in I-485 denials. Following an I-485 denial, it is crucial to examine the denial notice thoroughly. Depending on the reason stated, such as unlawful entry, you may need to pursue consular processing instead of trying to adjust status domestically. The next step for those who entered the U.S. illegally is often applying for an I-601A waiver. This waiver helps mitigate penalties for unlawful presence. However, the applicant must demonstrate that their U.S. citizen spouse will suffer extreme hardship if they must stay out of the U.S. during the waiting period. This process requires leaving the U.S. to attend a visa interview in the home country. Let's test your knowledge. What is the key requirement for an I-601A waiver? Is it A, lawful entry into the U.S., B, proving extreme hardship to a U.S. citizen spouse, C, serving in the U.S. military, or D, a family member working in the government? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B. The I-601A waiver requires proving extreme hardship to a U.S. citizen spouse. Without demonstrating this hardship, the waiver cannot be granted. In rare cases, such as when the U.S. citizen spouse is in the military, it might be possible to adjust status even after illegal entry. These exceptions are uncommon and typically do not apply to the general population. Given the complexity involved in dealing with immigration issues, obtaining expert legal counsel is essential. Trying to navigate these intricate legal matters without professional assistance can lead to permanent denial of your application or even deportation. To wrap things up, remember that while an I-130 approval recognizes the marriage, it doesn't guarantee a green card. Illegal entry is a significant barrier, and it's important to review the denial notice carefully. Often, consular processing and waivers are part of the path forward, making legal advice crucial. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on navigating immigration challenges. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.